Okay, so the first step is to match the ASA ring to the film ISO speed. For me, I'm using a 200 ISO film, so I'm going to rotate the ASA ring to match that number. Next, I'm going to turn the aperture ring to 2.8, and then I'm going to pull down the door latch to open the back. And then you want to pull up the rewind knob and insert the film into the film compartment here and push the rewind knob back down and into the film. It may need a slight rotation to go all the way down. Next, I'm going to pull the film leader across and insert it securely into the take-up spool, like so, and then wind and fire the camera on once. For me, the wind wheel is not turning, so I will fire the shutter button first, and then that will allow me to wind the camera on and fire the shutter again. And make sure that the film perforations are lining up with the sprocket teeth, like so. And then firmly close the back door until it clicks. And then I'm going to wind and fire the camera a few times until the shot counter points to 1. And then I'm going to turn the aperture ring back to A, and you are now ready to take photos.